When you first set up Blogger, you will be prompted to either choose a Google Plus profile or a limited blogger profile. Choose the limited blogger profile. Once you've done that, when you open Blogger, you will get a page that looks like this. So you won't have all your blogs down here if it's first time for you. Just set up a new blog, call it what you will, and just create the blog. You don't need to choose a theme at this stage or a template. You can do that later on. Please start with the settings. Your title's there and you can edit that. You can add in a description if you want. There is the URL of your blog. Blog readers, this is where you need to change the privacy. So if you don't want it to be public, you can change to only the blog authors, or you can add in certain readers if you want to. Just hit the add readers button and add in the email address of whoever you want to be reading your blog. Saving those changes. After you've gone to settings, go to the next one down, posts and comments. Now, I would keep anyone who can comment open. It just saves problems later on. Comment moderation always on. That means if anyone makes a comment on your blog, it always gets sent to you, so you can just write your email address in there again. And word verification, turn that off. That's just a bit of a pain to have to go through. And once again, save those settings. Under mobile and email, you can add your mobile number. You can also email yourself a blog, which you can save as a draft or publish immediately. You can also make sure that comments come to you through an email. You can also make sure that whoever you want to read your blog gets notified every time you write a blog. Language and formatting, just make sure it's English, that the time is marked correctly. So there it is. So choose GMT plus 12 at Auckland. This is just the format of the date. It will be date and time stamped. So those are your basic settings. If you want to change the look of your blog, you should hit template and that orange button there, customize. You can choose different templates. I would keep it either simple or picture window and not go into these other formats at the moment. The background, I've changed mine to a pink colour. I'm just going to change it to a green to show you how that can be done. You can adjust the widths, you can slide it out to make it wider, slide it in to make it thinner, make the sidebar wider or thinner. And the layout, you can choose the basic sort of layout that I have here, or you can change your format slightly if you want to. In the advanced settings, you have all of these different possibilities for changing the colour and the type of your font. So you choose the type of font there, you choose the colours from there. Once you've done all of that, you apply it to the blog. It says the template's applied, so you go back to the blogger. And we have this nice green version. Right, so you're ready to write your first post. Let's click on that. And this is pretty straightforward. Normally you would choose the compose button, blog post title, so it might be first post. And I would write something. I might like to put in an image, maybe from one I have on my computer. I have a screenshot here that will do as an example. I'm going to add that selected one and pop it in. When you click on the image, you can make it small, medium, large. You can move it to the left or the right. I'm going to put it on the left and just write something more somethings, and then publish it. and you can see it shows up as a post, your first post. If you want to view the blog and see what other people will be seeing, you hit the View Blog button, and that's what they see. Something, there's your image, and more something. To go back into the blog, hit that Design button up in the top right hand corner. Make sure you're signed in and hit the Design button to go in behind it again. Write another post and so on.